But tell me about your open source philosophy. Where did that come from? And you open source PyTorch, and that it is now the framework by which AI is done. And now you've open sourced Llama 3.1 or Llama. There's a whole ecosystem built around it, and so I think it's terrific. But where did that all come from?
Yeah, so there's a bunch of history on a lot of this. I mean, we've done a lot of open source work over time. I think part of it, just bluntly, is we got started after some of the other tech companies, right, in building out stuff like the distributed computing infrastructure and the data centers, and because of that, by the time that we built that stuff, it wasn't a competitive advantage. So we're like, all right, we might as well make this open, and then we'll benefit from the ecosystem around that. So we had a bunch of projects like that. I think the biggest one was probably Open Compute, where we took our server designs, the network designs, and eventually the data center designs, and published all of that. And by having that become somewhat of an industry standard, all the supply chains basically got organized around it, which had this benefit of saving money for everyone. So by making it public and open, we basically have saved billions of dollars from doing that work.